So our 12 judges were able to taste this cornucopia of incredible dishes, face the difficult task of narrowing it down to a grand champion in each category, and now I'm really excited to tell you which dishes stood out for them. Starting with the Chef's Choice category, please congratulate Nadia Appleton from Gatesville ISD. Again, Nadia's recipe was the easy taco casserole, and we have a gift basket for you. We'll take another picture to celebrate. In the Best Interaction with Judges category, I'm happy to congratulate Amuria Butler from Cedar Ridge Elementary. She really brought the recipe behind her beef fajitas alive when she talked with the judges about it. In the category of most bonus ingredients, Colin Patrick Chapman from Kendrick Elementary School is our winner. The top prize in our Judge's Choice category goes to Riley Higginbotham from Gatesville ISD. The judges agreed that her recipe, the party, was indeed worth celebrating. The winner of Best Table Presentation is Emma Kalinsky from China Spring ISD. Emma's Mexican lasagna really was an artistic creation as well as a culinary one. Selected as our next future chef star for her chili citrus chicken tacos, please congratulate Mackenzie Carmichael from Robinson ISD. The award for Most Fiesta Fit goes to Trinity Parker from Connolly ISD. And Trinity's Fit Fish Tacos. The award for Made from Scratch is going to Carlos Perez from Kendrick Elementary School. Best Plate Presentation was awarded to the salsa salmon created by Isabella Ramos from Lake Air Montessori Magnet School. Another artistic success as well as a culinary success. The award for Best Health Conscious Recipe goes to Julian Reinhardt from China Spring ISD. Winner for his healthy Mexican pizza. The award winner for Simple Kid-Friendly Recipe goes to Kaylee Scoggins from Lorena ISD. Kaylee created Fiesta chicken wheels that even the pickiest of eaters would enjoy. And our last award tonight is for the most innovative recipe, and I'm excited to announce that that goes to Audrina Marie Zuniga from Bells Hill Elementary School for her incredibly innovative quesadillas. Congratulations to all of our future chefs. I'm incredibly excited about the culinary future that we have ahead of us here in Central Texas with the great talent that you see on this stage. I want to thank again HEB, both for lending us HE Buddy for the stage tonight and for their incredible support of this competition. And I want to thank Sodexo as well. This is the 11th year that Sodexo has created this great experience for kids here in Central Texas that extends beyond the great things that they do every day in cafeterias and schools across this area. So thank you to Sodexo, thank you to HEB, and thank you for all of you for joining us this evening.